my dear friends, welcome back to Smart Stranger YouTube channel. I'm your favorite Sharmata, and I was really thinking a lot before uploading this video because this is my very first mono act, and I'm a part of a cultural club called Ada Dramatics. I don't really know acting that well. I just want to be a part of Vida because I wanted to learn some acting skills from the club. So recently they organized a mono act competition, and obviously I wanted to be a part of that competition, but I didn't win the competition. Though my mentors, the seniors, are really great. They helped me a lot throughout the competition. My mentors were Ravi bro, Rohit bro, and Smiley sister. They tried their best to make me act, and they gave me the script also, but I couldn't win the competition because there were people doing it better than me. So I thought a lot before uploading this. I was thinking whether to upload this mono act on the YouTube or not. But finally I decided to upload it because the theme of this mono act is really cool and amazing. That theme, I wanted to share this particular theme to many people. So I decided to upload this mono act. Just focus on the theme and not my acting skills, okay? So please focus on the theme of this mono act. And once again, I thank my mentors who taught me, who were patient enough to teach me. And thank you, Ravi bro, Rohit bro, and Smiley sister. And my dear viewers, please enjoy the mono act and only focus on the theme of the mono act and not my acting, okay? Cool. Let's start. Oh my god! There's so much left to be done. The cake? Where is the cake? There it is. Okay, great. And balloons? Where are the balloons? It's there. Great, cool. Also, what about the wine? Anand doesn't like white wine. So I called the delivery guy and he told he'll bring the red wine instead. But why isn't he here yet? Where is he? This Nandu. What is wrong with this Nandu? He is supposed to be here about an hour ago. But he's still not here. Oh god! I'm losing it. What is this doing here? This isn't supposed to be here. And when I think of it, I don't even remember removing the tags. Awesome. It's 6 already. And Nandu better be here in next 5 minutes or somebody is getting fired today. Oh shit! Is that Anand? Oh shit. Okay. Calm down. You got this. I'm coming. Nandu? Why are you so late? How can you be so irresponsible? It's already 6 and there's so much left to be done. Don't you dare utter any word. Off to the kitchen right now. Oh no. I hope it's not broken. You're done? Okay, that's great. Now go, blow the balloons up. Wait, what's that? You know the rice is supposed to be cooked, right? Then why have you bought the raw rice? Hands up somebody. Died. It's been a year now, Nandu. I bought this watch last year. And I wanted to give it to him so badly. But then I couldn't. Only if I could buy the time along with it to give it to him. You know, Nandu, Anand never always so busy with his patients. Every other day, someone was passing away. And I was always asking him to stay safe. I'm just hoping that this time would pass and waiting for the day we would be back to our normal lives. But guess what? I'm still waiting. You know what angers me the most, Nandu? All he was doing was his job, helping people. And there are people out there risking their lives in this pandemic for the safety of others. And they don't even care. What was it all for if people don't even bother? What does it even take to put a damn mask on and stay home? Is it too much to ask for? You know, I couldn't even see him one last time. The pain that madam has, that she carries, मेरे को समझ आता है. कोरोना के बाद the whole world is under turmoil. आनंद भैया was such a great man. अपने काम को लेके he was always so serious. हमें तो he only taught how to wear mask properly. क्या कहते हैं, how to sanitize. But not only he, there were many like him, trying to teach, trying to help, trying to guide. कोशिश थी, but all for what? लास्ट ईयर इंडिया में 1,76,000 डेथ्स थी और 1.5 करोड़ केसेस पॉजिटिव. हाँ, बट पीपल आर बिहेविंग जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. एवरी डे पीपल आर डाइंग बिकॉज हम जैसे लोग आर नॉट डूइंग थिंग्स राइट. आई जस्ट विश लाइक people stay at their house away from other people, wear their masks properly and follow guidelines. The other day Sharma ji wali madam went on a vacation. Why can't she go after corona? ऐसे वक्त में we should all stand together and fight this virus. And people like Anand Bhaiya and Madam ji and other people like, yes ma'am. Nandu, it's time now. We must move. Safety of the people. So friends, I hope you liked the theme of this mono act. All we could do now was nothing but staying home and prioritizing our own safety and the safety of the people we know. This is the only thing we could do to help those frontline warriors who are risking their lives in this pandemic, who are working day and night for the safety of us. All we have to do now is to wear a mask, sanitize ourselves then and there, and stay home. It's not really a big deal, my dear friends. It's not really a big deal. And it's not, this pandemic situation is not gonna last forever. And we'll together win this COVID war, and everything is gonna be fine soon. Let's just hope for positivity and help as much people as we can and spread awareness among the common people about this virus and make sure they are also safe. Let's just do our best sitting in our home. Be safe, my dear friends. That's what I need and that's what the world wants. And thank you, my dear friends. Let's pray for those souls who lost their lives in this pandemic. Let them rest in peace. And thank you so much for patiently watching my video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Until then, tada, bye bye. See you guys. Love you.